Hi, Mr. Jackson students. Welcome to the Day of Silence lesson. And first I'd like to thank the Willard GSA for providing such a supporting day and encouraging the teachers to participate as well. So for today in the library, your class will be looking at the SBA, the Standard Balanced Assessment, and just getting to know the tools of it. You're not taking a test today. None of your answers will be saved or recorded. No one will see the answers to what you do. You are simply mucking about, testing things out, seeing how the program works to make sure you understand it before the actual test. The English portion of the test will begin on May 8th, so that's over a week away. And then the following week, you will have your math portion. And then the week after that, you will have 2 days of science testing, new for 8th grade. So that's just a little forewarning. I'm going to talk you through what you'll be doing, and then you will get started. So you should have a half sheet of paper that, wow, in this lighting looks completely blank. There we go. Looks something like this. The portion that is in the rectangle has the steps for how you'll log into the program. And then on the other side, this checkbox are all the tools that I want to make sure you know how to access. So what you'll be doing is just getting to know the tools. You're going to explore, ask questions, check in with other students. These are all things that you would not be able to do when we're taking the actual test. If you're not talking today, use your creativity in communicating with your table mates. Of course, use your notebooks. Pointing and gesturing always works. Or since you're using Chromebooks, if you wanted to sign in and open a blank Google Doc, and then you can just type messages to the people sitting next to you and you can just share it that way. That's a great way to use the technology. Or if you're talking, just ask your neighbor. When you're signing in, follow every step exactly as it's written. I was very specific in my instructions. So go ahead and grab a Chromebook, sign in. If you're not planning on using the document feature, you don't need to sign in. You can just browse as a guest. Go to this website here, and then you'll follow every single step. If you have any questions, look back at the instructions. And it's very important that you remember that you are not being graded on your work. You will be asked on the back side to answer the first 9 questions, but the answers don't need to be right or wrong. All I want you to see is how they put questions together and talk with your neighbors about the best way to respond and how to look for the answers. And I do want you to try to get as far as question number 17 because it's a really odd question. So you do have to put some answer in to be able to move forward. And I'll talk to you later in about 10 minutes. Sign in, follow the steps, do the checklist first to make sure you know how to use all the tools, and then spend some time trying to answer some of the questions that are on the back. Thank you.